They say that breaking up is hard to do, but thanks to Australian innovative systems, it's easy to bid farewell to the endless cycle of traditional chemical dosing and start a healthy new relationship with water disinfection. With AIS technology, it's possible to disinfect almost any type of water, from groundwater to salt or even wastewater, conveniently and automatically. AIS's range of commercial and residential chlorine generators lets you break free from your chemical dosing dependence by disinfecting water on-site and in-line or offline via electrolysis. Clean, clear water is easy to achieve thanks to the electrolysis process and AIS. With over 20 years of innovation and experience behind every AIS system, our brands are loved and trusted worldwide. Best of all, our pre-tested systems are easy to install and operate. Simply plumb in and switch on. Millions of litres of water in indoor and outdoor municipal pools, theme parks, aquatic facilities, resorts and hotels are kept clean and safe with AIS systems. Our technology is suited to a wide range of industries, including leisure, mining, aquaculture, horticulture, as well as utility, offshore and wastewater. When you look at the benefits, there's a lot to love. So if you're ready to bid farewell to the endless cycle of chemical dosing and embrace a healthy new relationship with water disinfection, you've got our number.